It's a lovely bank holiday Monday here in the UK. So as usual, the weather's nice and delightful, as you can see behind me. Our planned trip of Gulliver's Kingdom has been postponed for a week due to an issue with my car. So instead we're coming to Delamere Forest for a little walk around and see the new visitor centre and see what there is to offer. So this is the new play area at Delamere Forest Country Park. I'm going to be honest, I thought it would be a bit bigger than this, but it looks fun nonetheless for smaller children, very much smaller children. I've already lost one child. Oh no, there's one child who looks bored already. They've got a cafe with a grab and go area. Hanging kebab. So the cafe isn't cheap, I'm not going to lie. It was £9 for a coffee and a hot chocolate. But it does look quite nice. Collection point for hot drinks. I did fancy the hanging kebab, but it seems a bit OTT. They do have a couple of little street stalls out as well. So they've got a pizza truck, which is obviously only open during the summer. You'd have thought it might have been open for a bank holiday, to be fair. And then around here you've got an ice cream shack. Cheshire ice creams sold here. Did you see a Gruffalo, Ollie? The Gruffalo orienteering course. Yeah, Delamere Forest is very busy today. The sausage dog has joined our clan. We'll go down the secret trail, it looks smelly.
Too bad.
Careful of the nettles. The nettles, these things with the spiky leaves, they're nettles, they sting you. They sting little ollies. Whoa, oh my God. Well, hopefully we can come back out somewhere. Because I don't really want to go all the way back. Through the secret trail in the forest. Uh-oh, can't go under it. Can't go round it. Have to go.
Over it. Do you want to go that way, or do you want to go?
Keep going. Should we sneak out and leave Joshy behind? Bye, Josh. Yeah, quick, go, 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 go. You can do it. You can do it. Hey, how did you get out before us? Got Ollie. What is it?
Something.
It's an acorn. How do you not know what an acorn is? Bad parenting from me, that.
Go into your home.
Josh, do you want to go and visit the swamp? Into the forest. The den-making forest. Wow, that's a really good den you made there, Ollie. Did you make that den all by yourself?
No. Yeah. No. Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
I mean, if I had the choice between a golden retriever, a Labrador, an Alsatian, or a red panda, I would definitely choose a red panda.
If red pandas weren't, if it probably wasn't illegal to own red pandas, because it probably is, because you can't own a lot of things as pets, then you'd probably have.
Yeah, I mean, they only eat apples. Can't it's probably cheaper to keep one of them than it would be to keep a
Dog.
to keep a dog.
I think it's probably like illegal or something.
Yeah, it probably is, mate.
Probably is
I
what?
don't think there's many pet red pandas, to be fair.
Probably is what?
Oh, I can see an ice cream van up ahead that no one is getting anything from. The Gruffalo. He's in Gruffalo jail. Ah, the owl. Ooh, ooh. The owl. Ooh, ooh. He's part of the Gruffalo Trail too. Don't you dare go up there.
I'm gonna go up there before you.
Mate, can you hold my ice cream?
Hold my ice cream. Hold my beer.
Why does it sound like more ready?
Get away from my hill.
Oh no, it's the hill monster.
Get away from my hill, you swine.
Right, Ollie, I'll distract him this way. You go around the other side.
No, stop it.
Just push him down, push him down.
It looks like the redstone stand in Minecraft.
Oh yeah.
Get off!
Okay, Bobby. Wow, there's some really cool trails around here. Delamere Forest. So it's a large wood. So Delamere Forest is a large wood. It's not even a forest, apparently, in Delamere, in Cheshire.
No, it's not actually. Steepest you can get before it starts becoming not steep again is 108.
What's the tallest hill you can have, Josh?
What?
What's the tallest hill?
599 meters.
I was gonna say that.
599 metres and 99 centimetres and 99 millimetres and 99 nanomillimeters.
I don't
Oh no, and 99 micrometers and 99 nanometers.
I don't think anyone's bothering to measure something to that extent.
Ah, so Delamere actually means Forest of the Lakes. Did you know that?
No, but no one wants to. What language is that? Like that.
It was established in the 11th century, and they were the hunting forests of the Norman Earls of. So this forest was established in the 11th century, and they were the hunting forest of the Norman Earls of Cheshire. Ah, and I see a snake slivering. Hello, little mouse. Would you like to come to my log pile house? Twin medieval forests of Mara and Mondrum were created by Norman Earls of Cheshire in the 11th century. However, the area was probably a hunting ground for other tribes, Anglo-Saxons and Britons and stuff before that. Here in the forest we have one of the lesser known wild men of the forest. Here he comes, the wild man of the forest! Ah! There's this really nice area here at the bottom of the visitor centre where you can have like a nice picnic, you can play on the grass, you can send your child to the top of the hill and he disappears forever. Hopefully he'll come back at some stage. Forrest, I'm a bit exhausted because I've just run all the way out there. It's very steep. This is an odd forest, this. All these trees look dead. How strange. They're not. So if you look up, you can see the top of the canopy, they've got green leaves. So it's just right at the very top. And I think this has been planted fairly recently. Because as my son pointed out, all the trees seem to be suspiciously spaced out. Oh, look at this odd one here. Like going up and then back on itself. How very strange. Now we've surmised, I don't know, so I've not been here for a concert, but we think when they do have the concerts here, so when Gary Barlow's playing here later in the summer, and who else? Rag and Bone Man, Busted, can't remember who else, a couple of others. I think the stage is down there on the gravel, and then this is where people sit. Actually would like to come and see a concert here. It'd be pretty cool. So that's the end of my our little walk around Delamere Forest this afternoon. It's not quite what we had planned, but these things are sent to try us after all. Delamere Forest is a nice little place to go for a walk. There's not an awful lot here. There's a cafe, there's a small play area, and there's some toilets and stuff like that. But other than that, there's nothing really here except the trails. Really good for, oh, there's Go Ape as well, which has got Segway tours and zipline tours and stuff. But it's really good if you like walking, or I think it'd be really interesting to ride a bike round as well, to be perfectly honest. But I don't have a bike yet. Maybe that's something for later on in the summer.
Hello! Hello, Munchy Red Hippopotamus. I am recording because I'm amazing, and we are recording this race.
Okay. Have you pressed the record button?
He's pushed it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't come too close.
Get out the way of the thing. Get
Off the track, please.
Okay.
Ready?
So, Dad and Josh will be racing down the hill.
No, we're not racing down the hill, we're racing along there.
Okay. And the first person to get there wins.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go! Daddy is winning! And Joshy is attacking him!
One day you'll be stronger than faster than me. Today is not that day!
It is that day. Today.
You have been watching Munchy Road Hippopotamus. Thank you for joining us in our adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy our channel, and tell us about any adventures that you have in the comments below. Get out there and explore your world.